up? How's it going? Puff a minute. That's DIY Archer here too.
Nice.
Welcome to DIY Edge
Two, one.
What's up, guys?
You guys, me and Puffer Man and Eyes, Joe and the Puffer Man.
Dude,
Ready to do this?
absolutely.
We got more toys for the Trailblazer,
Oh my goodness.
for the 15s and everything else, right?
We did.
All right, so we got a box in here, and this is our battery and some connectors and some wires.
Yeah.
So let's see what we got here. We got our razor. Let's start opening this stuff up. Hope everyone's doing good out there. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. Be part of the channel.
Oh yeah.
Get the notifications every time we're doing something. We like to go live and do all kinds of stuff. But right here, we gotta open this bad boy up now.
Got us a pretty cool battery right here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to plot and scheme here once we get this thing opened up, right? Figure out what we want to
yeah.
do with it. And how we're gonna set it up, where we're gonna put it. But we got is it a Scar one?
Yes, it is. Or is it?
Is it Scar? Or,
I actually think it's a
Down
down
for
for
sound?
sound battery, but we bought it off of the Scar website.
huh? Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I think you bought a Scar battery off of the Scar website.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's what we bought. We got the Scar battery here, 10,000 watt battery. They didn't have this on any other sites that we looked.
No.
We looked on all of it.
Yeah.
Didn't have it. So we got plenty of fire starter here.
Right. Up to that.
Yep. Let's see.
We'll go there.
It's pretty heavy. All right. Here's all of our wire. This is the oxygen-free copper. 17 foot of 0, 3 foot of 0 for the ground. And we got our RCA's 3 foot black flex wire loom. What else we got? Remote turn on wire and speaker wire and the 300 amp fuse. And we ordered
What?
one.
And we ordered some. Okay.
That's all right. At least we got
That's
it now.
crazy.
So we should be good to go. This is good for 3,000 watts, and we got another one running in here. So
And we got some RCA's and everything.
yeah,
Yeah.
nice set. It was over $100, but hey, you want good quality, you gotta pay for it sometimes.
OFC.
But Scar's good quality. Huh?
Yeah.
I like it. What else we got here? Dang,
Ooh, what?
got our negative and positive terminals to go to the battery that we got here and to run all the wire to it. So we had some nice clean stuff. The last stuff we got at AutoZone, which was nice, but we want to get it from the same place.
Right. Might as well. That'd be
Get some
pretty
stuff
cool.
that matches pretty good. So we got those. Under the hood, we got AutoZone, but when it comes to auto or the audio, we're gonna go with the cool stuff.
Go for it.
All right, dude.
Oh,
We are down to the battery, but this battery weighs, what did I say it weighed?
40?
Nice, 57 pounds. It's pretty heavy.
It says team lift on here. So we're gonna open it like this. Whoa.
Yeah, that's a monster.
That's a monster.
All right, go cardboard.
Some strong paper.
Dude.
Oh,
Okay.
my goodness. All right, hold that.
I'll hold that so you can take the box. Dang. So this is the SK battery 80AH. So it's an 80 amp battery.
Yes, an 80 amp hour
And
battery.
it has a maximum burst of 14,000 watts, doesn't it?
I think so. Yeah.
And it goes through 10,000 watts. Or was it
It
10,000 watts?
might have been 10,000, but
Something. Still, we're up there around 10,000 watts, so it should be pretty darn good. That's lit off good.
wow.
I think we did a 14,000
I
watt
think
burst.
so. Right?
Yeah, I think
I
so.
remember reading something like that.
High performance 12 volt.
55 and a half pounds.
There you go.
That is crazy.
Yeah, that seems heavy as crap.
Pretty much a subwoofer. That's a small subwoofer.
A small subwoofer?
15.
That's a massive subwoofer, dude. We're in a different
All mine were
playground.
like 60, 70 pounds.
Yeah, we're using 70-pound subwoofers.
Yeah.
Boom!
Whoa.
Okay, it looks like we're under another box
Got
here.
another box.
I don't want to put it upside down.
Right?
Let's do one of these.
Oh, yeah. Dang.
Open the bottom here.
ATM.
Should I get your side?
Yeah.
Woo! Definitely a monster. There's a lot of lead in here. Sweet. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Here's a bunch of foam padding.
That's pretty cool. Look at that. SK battery, 88H. Full AGM high performance battery. This is pretty cool.
Sealed non-spillable lead acid AGM 12 volt 88H 140 minute or 140 minute at 25 amps. Dope.
Dang, dude. Whoa. Alright. Let's see what's in this box. Going from another box to the box.
This might be the subwoofer.
No, here's the sub. Okay. More foam,
More info
more info.
for charging, long-term storage, before initial use in charge. It says. Holy moly!
That's cool.
That's a monster. Check that bad boy out. Look at that thing. Ready to rock right there.
Terminals right here. We got the bolts that go in there. This thing's pretty cool looking.
All right, you gonna try to lift it out of there next?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. You just gotta hold the box.
Me?
Yeah, hold
Oh,
the box.
oh, I gotta hold it.
Yes, you do.
Are you
Hold the
sure?
box. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Looks like you got all the work. Whoa!
Dang, dude.
Oh man!
Wow.
We're gonna need new shots in the Trailblazer, but it's gonna bump.
Oh,
Nice size battery. I mean, it's not ridiculous.
it's probably the size of a normally large one, I'd say.
Yeah, it seems like a normal car battery. The other one we were gonna get was pretty big.
How cool.
Another layer of foam on the inside of this, so it had a lot of protection in between it. Next plan, now we'll get the Trailblazer, this kind of together and start staring at the trunk until something comes to our mind.
Right, and start thinking about
how we're gonna do it.
exactly.
Yeah, so we got our amplifier or battery to charge our amplifier, and then it came with its own little plugs here.
Yep.
With some Allens, and then we got our adapters on the top to hook our wires to, and then we got our oxygen-free copper here
Dang, you know.
with a fuse. Got a star fuse already in it.
Perfect.
Let's see, at least we got backup. You know?
Yeah.
I have to have one for the Blue Thunder.
Yes.
So
Nice.
this sucker's pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it.
See the weight on it anywhere?
It might. Alright guys,
Dang.
we just unwrapped all those. We're gonna go ahead and start doing some math and some geometry and physics. And then we'll see where we can fit these bad boys in the Trailblazer. So make sure you guys check out the channel. Catch us on the next one, and we should be installing this thing, right?
I think so. I honestly think so.
All right, guys.
A little plotting and planning here.
Right?
Well, let's do it.
Pull out the tools, right?
Yeah, man. Let's do it.
Alright, dude. High five.
Cool. Let's go.
Alright, guys. Till the next one. We'll see you. Hit that like, subscribe, and be safe out there.
Sweet.
Late.